you have two choices: to get up or to give up. That one small choice decides everything. Most people wait for motivation, but the truth is, motivation doesn't come every day. What really matters is showing up, especially when you don't feel like it. Some mornings you wake up tired, lazy, and unmotivated. Your body says rest, your mind says skip today, but that's the moment that defines you. Because if you show up on those days, you're already ahead of most people. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even if you give only 50% effort, it's still better than zero. When I restarted my fitness journey, I made a simple rule. No matter how I feel, I'll still go to the gym. Even if I just walk on the treadmill, I'll go. Because once you step in, half the battle is already won. Discipline means doing what you said you'll do, long after the feeling that made you say it is gone. The truth is, no one feels motivated every day. Not athletes, not influencers, no one. What separates winners is discipline. When you train tired, you're not just building your body, you're building your mind. So next time you feel tired, don't wait for motivation. Just move. Do something. One push-up, one set, one step. Action creates energy. Energy creates progress. And progress brings motivation back. If you're watching this right now, I want you to remember it's okay to be tired, but it's not okay to quit. Champions are not made when they feel good. They're made when they fight through the days they don't. Keep pushing, because the strongest version of you is waiting on the other side of your excuses.